Okay, so we're going to be learning how to just graph sine and cosine functions, but in this example, it's just sine. So we have our equation, it's y equals negative 3 sine 2x. So 3 is the a in this case, and 2 is the b. And the first thing we need to do is figure out the amplitude, or how high it goes, and then we'll also need to figure out the period, which is one cycle. So the amplitude is just the absolute value of a. So in this case, it's just 3 and not negative 3 because it's the absolute value. And then the period for sine and cosine, we just do 2 pi divided by the b, and b in this case is 2. So 2 pi divided by 2 is just pi. So then when we start graphing, we'll put 3 at the top because it's the highest it goes, and then we'll do negative 3 since that will be the lowest, since it's the maximum and minimum. And then we go 4 marks out, so we'll put pi at the very end since that's a full period. And then to figure out the other 3 marks, so for the first one, we take our period and we divide it by 4, so it'd be pi 4. And then for our second mark, we take the period and divide it by 2, so it'd be pi over 2. And then for the third mark, we take the first mark in the answer we got from that and times it by 3, so it'd be 3 pi over 4. And then after that, it's really simple. Since this is a negative, we're going to be going down first. If it was a positive, we'd be going up to the maximum first. But since it's a sine, we start right at the midline, and then we go down to the minimum, up to the midline, up to the maximum, down, down, and then we just continue the same over there. Just instead of going down first, we go up, so that way it keeps the sine wave together.